how to turn on or turn off GPU watch on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down to and click on developer option. So after click on developer option, scroll down and search GPU watch from here. So scroll down. So search from here. You will see GPU watch is here. So click on GPU watch. So if you want to turn on GPU watch, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see GPU watch is turn on. So if you want to turn off GPU watch, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see GPU watch is turn off. So you will turn on or turn off GPU watch from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off GPU watch on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.